Today we are going to be putting the front bumper back on this Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and I say we because I got some help. Brought in the big guns. Alright, first step of putting the front bumper back on is... What's the first step of putting the front bumper back on? What's the first step, dude?
Screwdriving it in?
Screwdriving it in. Alright, nope. First step is taking the wheel off because we have bolts up here in the fender that we're going to have to get to when we bolt it back up. So the wheels are in our way, so we're going to have to take those off. Got the wheels off. How was it taking the wheel off?
Okay.
It was okay. We have to get the wheel well plastic out of the way because there's 2 bolts here that's got to go in, and then there's 3 bolts up here in the fender that's got to go in, and you got to be able to get your hand up through here to get those 3 bolts. What tools do you think we're going to need to take that off?
Screwdriver?
A screwdriver. Does a screwdriver fix everything?
Maybe.
Alright, no, we are going to need a screwdriver. We will need a Phillips for these, and then a little clip popper to pop them out, and then a 10 mil ratchet. Socket with the ratchet. Alright, we're going to let Obbs try to get that wheel well off by herself first. Alright. There's one. Get those out. Get little plastic clips there. Wheel wells are off, so now we have access to the bolt holes to mount the bumper. How do you think that went?
Fine.
We've got to pull the headlights out because there's some bolt holes right here that mount to the bumper to mount it to the car. Headlights are off. Now it is time to mount the bumper onto the car. Ready?
Yep.
Grab that side of it. Don't scratch the paint. Come on. You gotta grab it good. Now don't let it scratch that fender. It's gotta come down. And don't let it scratch the fender. Okay? See where this bracket's this bumper's gotta go down there. It's gotta stay down. Okay? And then this part's gotta line up. This part has to line up with that right there. Okay? You watching it so don't scratch it?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. Okay? Now we find all the bolts. How's it coming?
Fine.
You having fun?
Is it good?
phone died on us while we were buttoning it up, but we got the headlights, turn signal lenses, and the bumper completely bolted on now. Looks like a totally different car. Hey,
Hey.
what do you think?
Good.
How much of the work did you do? 50%? How fun was it?
Fun.
Was it just as fun as playing hockey?
No.
No?
No.
You'd rather play hockey than work on a car?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, bye.